In this video, we'll show you exactly how to configure Nessus agents for remote scanning, a quick and effective way to secure your network using Tenable's powerful tools. Stick around, because we'll cover everything from setup to troubleshooting, ensuring you get the most out of your remote scans. Now, before we dive in, you can use Nessus for free through the link below, and we've got some exclusive bonuses to make the process even easier. Check it out, it's a great offer for those who want to get started with remote scanning. Let's jump right into configuring your Nessus agents for remote scanning. The first thing you'll need to do is ensure that the Nessus agent is installed on your target systems. This process is straightforward, and Tenable provides installers for all major operating systems. You can find them on their website or directly within the Nessus interface. Once the agents are installed, they need to be registered with your Nessus Manager or Tenable IO to be able to communicate for scanning purposes. Next, configure your Nessus Manager to accept the Nessus agents. In the Nessus Manager interface, navigate to the Agents tab and click on Add Agent. Here, you'll either manually add an agent or use the agent token that you generated during installation to automatically register it. This step establishes the connection between the agent and the Nessus Manager for remote scanning. The third thing is ensuring that your agents are connected and properly reporting back. After registering the agents, you'll want to verify that each one is successfully communicating with your Nessus Manager. This can be done by checking the agent status in the Agents tab. If you see any agents with an offline status, it typically means there's a communication issue, often related to firewall settings or network configurations. Now, let's talk about creating a remote scan. In the Nessus interface, you can configure a scan to target the systems where your Nessus agents are installed. Select New Scan and choose your scan template. You'll then configure the scan settings, selecting the agents as your target devices. This is where the power of remote scanning comes into play, allowing you to assess systems that might be behind firewalls or in isolated networks without needing direct access. The fifth thing is reviewing the results. After your scan completes, you'll want to analyze the results. Nessus will show you vulnerabilities discovered on the remote systems, along with severity levels and recommendations. This gives you a comprehensive view of your security posture, helping you address any weaknesses in your network. Lastly, don't forget about troubleshooting. If any issues arise during the process, Tenable's troubleshooting guide is a lifesaver. Common issues typically involve agent connectivity or permission settings, and adjusting these can resolve most problems quickly. To recap, you've learned how to install and register Nessus agents, configure your Nessus Manager, create a remote scan, and review the results. Each of these steps is critical for ensuring that your remote scanning is running smoothly and that your network stays secure. As mentioned earlier, we've got a special offer for you. You can access Nessus for free, plus exclusive bonuses through the first link below. Be sure to check it out. Thanks for watching, and happy scanning!